Hello, all. IBPS has started the PET training for RRB who opted for the preliminary examination training. Uh, it has started on 26th November. In this video, I can show you how to check your preliminary training details for IBPS RRB. First, you have to go to the Chrome, enter RRB PET. Here, go to BPS and like enter IBPS. Here on 26th November, IBPS has started the training. Click on this and click on this. Uh, the training has started on 26th November and will be continued till 1st December. So here you have to enter the registration number and your password, which is your date of birth. After entering the registration number and date of birth, enter the captcha here. After entering the captcha, click on login. Uh, After clicking the login, you will get the details of your pre-examination training, PET. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.